Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this nail drill. It is a portable, multifunction, rechargeable nail drill. I will be doing my toes today, but I'm just going to do the intro and outro like this, and then I'll show you exactly how to use it. So it does come with a few different colors, and it says it's for hands and feet, polished nails, low noise, rechargeable, heat dispensation, and it's portable. I'm actually about to be taking a trip to Oklahoma, so this is perfect. This is awesome how much it actually comes with for the price. So far comes with the most things that I've seen so far. It does come with an instruction manual. Look at all these different heads it comes with, and these. That is so cool. So it comes with these, which are great for like acrylics and stuff. These ones will take down a lot of nail really quick if you do have acrylics, and then it comes with all these to get into little corners and stuff. And then it comes with these as well, which are really good. These are like the polishers. Look at that. So super nice. It comes with a little brush for like brushing off the dust, which is nice. It comes with a lot more of these, which is awesome, because if you're doing acrylics, you'll go through these super quick. It comes with a little carrying case for them and the USB charger to the USB-C, which is how you'll charge it. It comes with some regular nail files. It actually comes with 3 different nail files, just to kind of get specific areas. And then this is the drill itself. It's a really nice color. It almost looks like a blackish gray. So it does come already charged. So it goes pretty high to low. Okay, let me go ahead and turn it off. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like with these. I'm going to be starting off with something like this to get around the corners and stuff of my nails. So you just want to push this in there as deep as you can. Hold the on button down. As you can see, it is on. So normally I'll get these when I'm doing my nails, which I'm not going to do my nails. I'm trying to let it grow out a little bit before I do it. Do them again. Try and let my nails heal so that when I go on my vacation, it'll be nice and done. And I like to take the edge of this and just kind of go on top of the skin, just to get any of that dead skin off. They normally come with a ball, but so far none of this drill sets that I've actually gotten actually comes with that. So you just press it. So you press it once for on, once for off. Just like that. And it also has reverse or fast forward, so you can do this. Okay, so that's on forward. And then you press it twice and it goes to reverse, as you can see. So it's going to keep going to fast forward and reverse depending on exactly which one you're actually pressing. And then to turn it off, you just hold it down and it'll turn on. And to charge this up, you'll actually just plug it in right down there with this charger, and then all you will need is a USB port to plug it in. You can use your phone charger, anything. You can plug it into your computer, anything that has a USB port. And then once you're done with everything, you can just carry everything inside of this case so that you know where it's at. I will probably be taking this on vacation, I'm not gonna lie. Give me something to do on my trip. And it does have the instructions that kind of just tell you how to put everything and what exactly each bit is for. So let's go ahead and do my feet and make them look nice and pretty. Okay, so I got the drill, and right now I have it on this sharp bit, and I'm just gonna turn it on. And I'm just gonna go around the edges a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this one off. I want to try some of these buffers. I'm gonna try this one right here. So I'm just gonna push this all the way in. Turn it on. See how it does. That's actually working really well to kind of just edge that up. Okay, so I'm just using this right here. It is by the brand Orly Breathable Treatment Plus Color. It's a nail polish, and it is in the shade Rehab, and it is a all-in-one base coat, color, and top coat. I am by no means like a professional nail painter, so I'm just gonna let my nails dry now. But yeah, the drill worked really, really well. I am super happy with it. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.